달달달루나.
안녕하세요, what's your Vicky? Today I'm going to show you how I did this Jean Manuel or IU Hotel de Luna inspired look. So let's begin. I already did the foundation and concealer, and while it's still setting, I'm going to do my brows because I don't like it when my face is already powdered and set. But I have yet to conceal or clean the unfortunate events on my brows because I know I will do my brows for I don't know how many years. I use browser straight with a little arch, and I use the pomade to do my brows just because. Then call Mago for help to bless us with identical brows and make it look even.
One eternity later.
Okay, now we're done with the most difficult stage, but not still fixing. No worries, Spanx is the key, and if you need a hair and makeup artist, PM is the key, link below. I used Shiseido baby powder to set the T-zone and eye area, then Maybelline Clear Smooth all-in-one pressed powder for the rest of the face. I forgot that I will use a cream blush, that's why I applied it after powdering, but it's supposed to be cream then powder. And please excuse the lighting, I didn't know it was very bright since I didn't change my camera and ring light settings. I think the lighting changed due to the red background. Moving on to the eyes, I used iMagic 16 color eye palette, and I applied Winky all over my lids and lower lash lines. I noticed IU's outer corners are a bit dark, so I mixed the shades Profesh and Wine to darken my outer corners and the creases. Then I made sure to blend all the shades seamlessly because, girl, we don't want any harsh lines. We want the shades to be blended nicely and seamlessly. So yeah. After that, I applied Classic, which is a very fair shade, to brighten the center of my lids just a bit. I also mixed these two shades of brown from the Australis Contour palette to deepen my, I don't know what you call that area, and inner corners. Then I used a brown eye pencil to line my eyes. I extended the wings downwards to create that puppy or rounder eyes. And I figured I also wanted to do some tight lining to enhance my eyes even more. So with a black gel pencil, I slowly and carefully did my tight lines. For this look, I didn't wear falsies or false eyelashes, so I opted for our trusty Heroine Make Long and Curl Mascara. Time for some contour. I just lightly contoured the sides of my face. This is also called shading in Korean beauty terms. Then I also lightly applied Vice Cosmetics blush in the shade Title on my cheeks. IU aka Jang Manuel in Hotel de Luna is wearing red lips in every episode, so to create that, I used 3 lip products all in the shades of red and pink. These 3 products are Colorette, BLK, and this pinky orangey gloss from a Korean brand, which I forgot. We're now done with the makeup. Next is the hair. For the hair, she did half up style with French braids on both sides, so I braided my hair from the hairline until I reached my ears. And to really recreate the look, I wore hair extensions, which I also used in one of my videos about Suzy Bae. If you want to see that video, it's on the I button above. First, I separated a few pieces of my bangs to make IU's famous baby hair look. And I couldn't find my black elastics, hence the white bands. And can we give some love and support to IU's glam team? I really love Jang Manuel's fashion. I really searched her stylist, her hairstylist, her makeup artist on Instagram to see all her looks, to see the behind the scenes photos of Hotel de Luna. But even before Manuel's existence in Hotel de Luna, I already love IU's OOTDs and hairstyles in her music videos and concerts. They are so fabulous. They are elegant, simple, classy. She's just so pretty. Hair and makeup done, and it's last week of Hotel de Luna. Sad. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. See ya! Annyeong!